So now we have another new number that we're going to introduce. The number is E. And E is basically 2.718281828459 and so on. Just like pi, it goes on forever and ever. You'll notice that if you have y equals e to the x, since e is a number bigger than 1, it is going to be a growth function. And you'll see E used a lot in the sciences, but also a lot in the financial world. And so what happens is you can use this formula if, you know how when we do compounding, when we do this guy right here, we talk about how it can be compounded monthly, daily, weekly, things like that. Well, the more n is, the more this whole balance is. And so by using this one, we're saying that we're doing this continuously, meaning it's always accruing interest. And so you can never make it any better than this. This would be it. And so the formula is actually a really easy formula to use. E is not a variable. It's just the number 2.718281828459 and so on. And so let's look at an example. Let's say that we deposit $100. So that means P is going to be 100. And then we still have the E, because remember that's not a variable. And let's say it's continuously, that's why we're using this one, and the interest rate is 5%. So I'm going to put 0.05 in for R. And we're trying to find out what's a balance after 10 years. So we'll take that times 10 years. So I go E to the, I use a calculator. You'll find there you have an E button on your calculator. And I'll take 0.05 times 10, raise E to that. That gives me 1.6487. And I'm going to take that times 100. Remember, you don't want to round until the very end. So you take that times 100, and you get $164.87. Now, nothing else is going to give you a higher rate. You can't do this by the minute and get anything higher. This is continuous. So this is the highest amount that you can get when you have that interest rate with that amount of money deposited.